Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an interior for a small apartment and a big house in blocks.io. Let's dive right into it. Alright, so here I have a small apartment. As you can see, it's not very big, but I'm gonna show you how to be very space efficient and make it a nice house. So first of all, we are gonna cut it so we can separate the living room and the bedroom. So about here, you're gonna make a wall. Of course, you shouldn't do this step by step, but this is like a guide on how to make the interior. Alright, connect it here. We are gonna put a door because I think it's ugly because how small it is, but maybe you should but as you can see, I have these cyan baked clay pillars because of how I built the original structure of my tower. So they're kinda ugly, but I'm gonna find a way to utilize them. So I'm gonna grab my maple leaves and place them like this in between the cyan pillars. That way I'm giving plants to my house and utilizing these ugly pillars. Just like that. There. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a small kitchen even if you have a small place. So you wanna you should do the kitchen with smooth diorite because it feels like a kitchen. Then place a workbench, then an artisan bench, then another smooth diorite, then grab furnaces. You're gonna need 3 furnaces actually. 1, 2, 3. Then grab smooth stone, place 2 like this, then grab smooth stone slabs and place them like that. So this would be like kind of the air vent for the oven. Then place a smooth diorite like this. Next to that, we are gonna make like the living room. So you want to grab maple wood planks. Actually, not maple wood. It depends. You should grab another color of planks different than your floor planks because if you grab the same, it's gonna be very ugly. So then you want to make a small table. And yeah, I want to tell you something about the chairs. I see many people making chairs with doors and fallen maple leaf slabs. That's very ugly. Imagine a door with your chair. I'm gonna give you an example. Like this. This is very ugly and it's very unrealistic. If you want to make the back of your chair, use slabs instead. It's much nicer. Just like that. Anyway, now we've finished the living room. Let's go to the bedroom. So now, how to make your bed. So you want to grab a bed, like any color you want, chest, and wool that matches the color of your bed. So if I choose blue bed, I will get blue wool. So then you want to place 2 blue wool, then 2 blue beds, just like that, and 2 chests next to the beds. That's where you have a cool bed design. Then, if you want, you can make a closet, but what I like making is a desk. So you want to grab maple wood planks, and engraved granite slabs. So place them like this. If it's against the wall, the desk doesn't need to be made out of slabs, but if you're gonna put it like this, making it out of slabs is nicer. Then you're gonna grab your engraved granite slabs and place them like that. I chose engraved granite slabs because they feel like a chair. It doesn't feel like wood. So that's how you make a interior for a small apartment. Now let's find out how you make the interior for a big house. Alright, so now we have our pretty decent and big modern house. So I'm gonna show you how to make an interior for this one. So here we are. Since you see it's 2 floors, there are stairs. So what you can do, which is very cool, is grab some chests and put them under the stairs. Like that. Then you want to decorate it with plants. This is a very important step because really plants make your house really look nice. So you want to grab some gray ceramic, vines and maple leaves. Place them like this. Then place some maple leaves like this. There. We've decorated this part. Now what we want to do is to make a couch. So you want to grab some engraved granite slabs because as I told you, they look very much as a couch. And place them as shown. Don't make couches out of wood because they don't have slabs. I'm not sure why they don't, but it's very ugly. So make a couch of steel. And now, since we have the big space, we can utilize the space to make a carpet. Like this. So you want to grab some wool, I choose grey wool, light grey wool, cyan wool and blue wool, but like you can choose any color you want. So just make it like this. You know what, let's add it. There, our carpet is finished. Now we're gonna now let's make the dining room. So you wanna grab some pine wood. Find the wood that matches the best your house, like the floor of your house. Because for a house you should use some wood for floor, don't use diorite or something like this. So find the wood that matches the best and use it like this. Then here we're gonna have our open kitchen. So place 3 furnaces, 1, 2, 3, and let's make the air vent like we did before. The air vent is really a nice addition. Not many people make it. I've never seen someone make it, but it is really cool. So then you need to grab your diorite, smooth diorite, to be precise, and there. Also, you should add moonstone chests for cabinets, like on top, like this. Alright, so now we've pretty much finished our first floor. If you want, you can add a television here, but I'm gonna add one upstairs so there's no really need. So let's go upstairs. Don't forget to make the railing for your stairs. It really adds some detail and it's more realistic so no one actually falls. So we're gonna make the same thing here that we did before. Add some plants. Remember, this is a really necessary step. Alright, so we need some maple leaves. Like that. We place the ceramic. Here you can place 2, as you can see, since we make the border for the room. Like that. And we place some vines. Vines really add some detail to the leaves, so they're not like plain leaves. Vines like make them realistic. So here we're gonna make the same thing that we did downstairs. Make a couch and then make a television. I'm gonna show you how. Now here we could add like a carpet using wool, but the problem that we have a floor downstairs. So like if we add carpet like this, let me show you. it would look very ugly downstairs. That's why on like the second floor, I don't add any carpets and I leave it plain. It's a shame blocks that I don't have carpets we can place on the blocks. I don't know if Arthur's gonna add them, but hey, that we do with what we can have. So let's grab some black concrete, some pine trapdoors, and some chests. So you want to place 4 chests like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then place the pine trapdoors and place them. You should always place chests underneath, because if you are in a server, many players would open the trapdoors, and it's better to see chests behind the trapdoors than nothing. Then you want to make the television. Make it 2 blocks long, 2 blocks tall, like this. Now let's head on to the living room, to the bedroom. So we're gonna make the same thing that we did before, using wool and the same color of the bed. Remember, this is really nice. This makes like a cushion or something like that. And here we're gonna make another desk. So we're gonna cut pine wood planks this time and pine slabs like this. And for like the armrests, we're gonna use pine trapdoors. You can also do that. Pine trapdoors look nice for armrests. So there you have it. How to make an interior for a big and small house. That's all for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, do all the good things. Until then, goodbye.